It's TF2. Hey guys, it's TF2 Gamer 3 here, and right now, if you guys can help me with the problem, that'd be good. So, basically, whenever I turn on my Xbox, it shows pink lines. So let me get up close up here. I don't know if you can see all that pink lines right there, but that's what it keeps on doing, and it works fine with the AV port. So yeah, and I'll show you my video settings I got set for it, and plus this is a Samsung 50-inch plasma TV. I don't know if it's the HDMI cord that's bad, but yeah. So right now it's set for 1360 or 1360 times 6 by 768 pixels. The reference level is expand. Change that to standard. Color space. And this only works on this TV. I mean, it only does on this TV, not another. So if you guys can figure out what that problem would be, I'll do it one more time, just so I can show you it's not fake. It's right there. Play the startup sound, and yeah. So if you guys can help me with this situation, and yeah, if you want to look at the back of my Xbox to see if that can do anything. The HDMI cord is right there. So yeah, that's, well, not really that's his video, but please help with this situation. I really appreciate it. And yeah, goodbye.